Hey, Tim Liffel here, author and editor, and I'm in Patagonia, thus the cloudy, not so great weather. And I'm in this particular sort of sheltered location because the winds here are insane. So you got to dress well, you got to wear lots of layers. So I got on a Patagonia t-shirt I've had for more than a decade now. Got this nice Air Crew fleece, and I'm wearing this Nano puff jacket that basically folds down into a little pocket, into a pouch, so it's easy for packing. But then I've got these, and then I can put something waterproof on over top for when I take off and go hiking. I'm going to be interviewing some other people that are down here with me. We're wearing Patagonia in Patagonia. It's a popular brand for good reason. Their clothes are made very sustainably, they ship sustainably, and they really take care of their employees. They're just a good company overall. So when you buy their products, you're supporting good corporate practices, which is not always true with some of the other brands.
I'm Willem Niemeyer, Kiri Travel. We do Southeast Asia inbound. So I'm a little bit ways out from where I usually am. But I wear this Patagonia jacket for years already. And it's great, served me great. Especially for this trip, I got my jumper here, which is really cool too because it's really warm. Love Patagonia for the fact that they repair their stuff. They do a lot for actually their name for Patagonia as a country or as a region of Chile. So awesome brand. It's great to be here in the outdoors.
Hello, I'm Ryota Sato from Hiroshima, Japan. Um, I'm both cycling, hiking, or river trekking in Hiroshima and surrounding area. Why I choose Patagonia is it's a responsible company, and their attitudes to the policy making or something like that. So, and also my some friends in Hiroshima also working for Patagonia, so that's why I choose this company.
All right, and let's see, you got the fleece, you got the jacket, and are the pants waterproof?
Yeah, and these as well.
Wow. All right. Underneath, I'm wearing this Patagonia t-shirt that I think I got about 10 years ago, or 12 even. Still holding up well. One good thing about Patagonia packaging is it comes without any plastic. It just has these little tied on tags. This is a string that says to cut, but you can untie it most of the time as well. I don't know why we need such long floppy tags here just telling you how to wash this thing, because it's 100% recycled polyester. But anyway, I can cut those off later when I can find some scissors.
Hi, I'm Nicole Zito. I'm in mergers and acquisitions, a broker. I love Patagonia Gear, one, because they're a responsible company. They're trying to save the planet, the environment. The stuff lasts forever. They got the lifetime guarantee on it. And at the end of the day, I mean, if we don't have the planet, what else do we have?
Is that a puffy jacket that you can like stuff into a pocket?
No, this is just a classic down sweater. And got the fanny pack, Patagonia windproof pants. This is the Air Nano, I think. Capeline. Even my underwear, but you don't want to see that.